Hi, welcome to another tutorial of UKTechins. Today we will learn about iOS development and this is day 2. So today we will create exercising app as the directory shows the name as exercise app. In this tutorial we will simply use image view, button and label. Whenever the button clicks, the image will change and the title will change, right? For this we need dictionary, concept of a dictionary, which is covered in Swift programming language. If you don't know what is dictionary, go to the tutorial of Swift programming and learn the collections in Swift programming language. And I will also share the link in the info button of this video. So I have created this directory and some app icon. This is the app icon. Let me just show you. These are some icons that I have created on canva.com. Let's just create another app icon for our application. What is app icon? Let me show you the screenshot that I captured in my last tutorial. So this is the screenshot and these are the app icons right over here, and our application Hello World that we created earlier don't have any app icon. So in this tutorial the first topic is how to create and paste the app icon in our application. So let me just close it. After that, what I will do is open our Safari browser and open Google and type here canva.com, and after just typing Canva we got this Canva. Just click and open this. I have login. You can sign up also. So I have already set up my email address. Then I will create here custom size the app icon with the maximum pixels or 1024 and create the new design. For the very first appearance of this Canva, you will see this these attributes and properties to select any. For example, I want to select the background. What I will do, choose here background and simple background like this one. After this I will create this person that is running and a shape, or so that it look like that it's an exercising application. Just change the color to this one and place to the center. Send backward, or simply just delete it and zoom it like this. So after this, the second step is download as PNG, and it will download in a bit. I just forgot to rename this, so let me just close this window. After downloading, it will appear in the downloading section. So let's just kill these tabs. So it's downloaded. This is the app icon. This is the app icon generator. and we are using this to create the app icon in these formats: iPhone and iPad 13. iPhone have 11 different sizes and files, and iPad have 13 different sizes and files. So what we will do, we will just click on this image and go to the download, select our design, which is this, choose upload, and now the icon is over here. Now the next step is just generate. So it will generate and download. Let's just see what are the sizes. These are the sizes of app icon. Let me just go to the definition. This is the assets folder in which the app icons are folders is stored, and these icons are placed inside the app icon folder, right? And moreover, these are the sizes for iPhone, and these are the sizes for iPad. So what is the next step? This the very easy step is just open the app icon zip. The recent downloaded zip is this. I just opened it, and app icon, assets, and app icon set. So these are the sets under the app icon. You need this, so just delete it and open again icon asset and just place. So these are the icon of our application. Let's just first run this application and see the app icon, and I will run it iPhone Pro Max, and let's run.